Whether you need to quickly switch between handheld selfie stick and hands-free capture, or simply want a place to secure your setup to free your hands, Insta360 could have the perfect accessory with this, the magnetic selfie stick holster. I'll be the first to admit this is one of those accessories I thought you'd need a specific use case for, but it's just so convenient that you'll find a way to fit it into most shooting scenarios. In essence, it's designed as a strap mount, where it's used for activities such as hiking or even diving. Delving into the box, we find two individual pieces that work together, creating the actual setup. The first is the strap mount itself, and honestly, first impressions are great. This thing is really well made, and the quality can clearly be felt from the outset. Matte black in colour and sporting a completely metal construction, which is pretty lightweight at the same time, the way this works is rather simple. At one end we find the actual mount itself, complete with two thumb screws, one on either side, used to release the rear plate. It's a really nice design at that, no loose parts to drop or mess around with, since once released the thumb screw moves to one side yet stays attached to the rear plate. A really nice design. In between we have a nylon finished surface protecting the strap, while ensuring a nice tight grip once locked into place. Anyhow, on the front we find the magnetic attachment point for attaching your camera selfie stick, a U-shaped design with integrated spring-loaded clips that grab the actual selfie stick once in place, which we'll come to in just a moment. Note though that should you wish to mount this elsewhere, on a belt or horizontal strap for instance, a simple pull and twist allows the holster to switch orientation, now providing the ability to mount to horizontal straps as well as vertical, a nice added little touch that increases versatility by ensuring the mount can be used in a wider variety of scenarios. When it comes to the actual selfie stick attachment though, that's done with the second piece included in the package, the selfie stick adapter. Thanks to the 1/4" 20 thread in the bottom, this attaches to the top of your selfie stick. In fact, it can attach to anything to be fair, such as a small hand grip tripod for instance. Pretty much anything with a 1/4" 20 bolt on top, and once attached we have another standard 1/4" 20 to mount to your camera. I can see this being very handy with the Insta360 X3, but can be used with any camera in fact, as shown here with an Ace Pro along with a quick release mount. The adapter adds very little to the setup, but can now snap into place on the strap mount, where magnets line up for the perfect fit, and the spring-loaded locks keep the adapter firmly in place. There's no way this is coming loose at all. There is a little wiggle room, just something to bear in mind while filming with the holster locked in place, but Insta360's cameras with their flow state stabilization easily counteract that regardless, so it's not such an issue. Releasing is quick and easy too. A simple anti-clockwise twist is enough to release the adapter from the mount. It really is as easy as that. It's a clever way of releasing the system and seems to work wonderfully well. Throughout use I've had no issues whatsoever. Attaching to my backpack strap, the actual mount is very secure and completely out of the way, leaving easy access to attach my selfie stick and camera directly to it when I need to free my hands. Once in place it sticks firm. As stated, there is a little wiggle room, but I've not found it to affect any captured footage at all, and better still, a quick twist and you're back to hand holding the setup all over again. It works really well, refreshingly simple, with a pretty ingenious locking and unlocking design. As it stands then, the Insta360 magnetic selfie stick holster is a powerful yet simple tool that provides easy access to your camera and selfie stick in a pinch, yet provides the convenience to store it away when you need to free your hands or when you want some POV footage. Quick and easy. Easily attached to a backpack strap or a waist belt with just a twist to adjust the orientation makes it suitable for a wider range of applications, ranging from hiking through to underwater diving. With a superb fit and finish, if you need to free your hands and are after an easy solution, this is ideal.